The next 10 minutes will be dismantling lube, Purifier, and renew its oil seals and oil HPWs. Right image shows the secrets of the pins, where the left image is the parts way to use so you can keep up what's happening in the video. Your time is precious, so let's jump right into the video. Hi, this is good. First, secure power and remove wirings in the motor. And as you can see, I forgot to take footage since I am thinking about the cure of cancer while doing my job.
Oh my god!
We now remove the oil from the sump tank to avoid contamination. Then we let go the bearing retainer from the bearing cover. And we push the spiral gear down since it was connected to the vertical shaft. Then remove the bearing cover. And here it is, the full set of horizontal shaft, which has poor condition oil seals and O-rings, just like your network of friends with poor mindset. In the sump tank, which looks clean but dirty inside, just like someone you know. And now we proceed with removing all parts, cleaning, inspection, and reinstalling afterwards. And by the way, I'm not making this video to make you a good onboard engineer. I'm making this video to wake you up that you and me are slaves. You may ask, how come? Well, if you're working for money, you are slave to money. Well, if you're working for money, you are slave to money. This video is a wake-up call to all young ones, even old ones, who watch this video to start thinking about yourself and your future. It's time to dream again. Dream of becoming a free person, not being an engineer and working your whole life on board ships. There's always a way. The universe is our ally. So, wake up. By the way, I'm not selling cheap courses here. I'm not buying one either. What I want you to know is that learning is not done after high school or college. The educational system is a scam. Not here for hate speech. I'm just exercising my freedom of speech, and all what I am saying is existing, and it is not fiction. It's real. That's it for now. I hope I wake you up even a little. Just please do me a favor. Leave a comment or come back in this video 5 or 10 years after, where you are truly successful. Good luck. This is good.